All right, so we've been parting out this engine for about a week and a half now. You see, this is down to the bare block. Got a buyer for this. Got a buyer for the transmission. Got a buyer for a bunch of accessories and front cover and stuff. So that's all leaving soon. Still have some manifolds, Y pipe and stuff available. But yeah, turbos are gone, injectors, rat's nest. These coils are sold. And right now I'm just working on pulling the AC lines and condenser out because those are sold as well. I will do AC again with the LS, but I'm just gonna have to do custom setup. So I still have this very nice, basically new engine harness left as well. But yeah, getting stuff out, and eventually we'll get to pulling the subframe so we can get the Ronin subframe in there for the LS3. It's coming along. Well, it was a little bit of a mission, but I finally found the right belt for my setup. A couple of friends had recommended 78 and 79 inch belts, and those were both too short. I went to AutoZone and I got an 82 inch belt, and I put it on, but I routed it wrong, so I thought it was too long. So I took it back, got a different belt. It was too short. Got a different belt. And it fit perfect. But then I posted a picture on the No Rotors page. The guy says, "Oh, your belt's routed wrong," and I was like, "Oh no!" Turns out the 82 is perfect all along when I routed it correctly. I had done this loop wrong. I had gone around there, and anyways, it's good now. So thanks to the community for fixing my error. Good stuff. Well, I got the differential brace. This is a Ronin brace, and I'm gonna put it up on the diff. So right now the diff's just hanging down. So this supports the front of the diff and takes place of the PPF. As you can see right here, it's where it's gonna mount, and then over there and over there. So I gotta take those little brackets off, and then yeah, I'll bolt it in. Should be pretty straightforward. All right, we got the diff mount in finally. I had an issue with one of the studs for the mount at the top. This stud right here popped up out of this. These are splined in, popped out of the splines, and so I had to work it in far enough to where I could get it to stop turning, so that I could tighten the nut and pull it down. And it's good now. Everything's tightened up and good to go. The whole diff is supported at the front now, whereas the PPF would have normally held it straight between here and the transmission. But now we're good to go. That's one piece of the puzzle done, and a bunch more to go.